Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll explore how you can visualize your data using intelligent reporting and analytics tools right from your Localize dashboard. On the Reports Overview page, you can see the different reports that are available. In the Page Views report, you can monitor your page view activity across all of your projects, allowing you to plan ahead as your business scales up. All reports will allow you to filter your data by project and time period. Select one of the default time periods or enter a custom date range. You can also specify how to group the data by days, weeks, or months. Select a specific project to filter the report for just that project. Filter by a specific language to see which languages are seeing the most users. In the Translations report, you can track the progress of your human translators. You can see the word counts across all translators or for specific ones. You can also filter by language. The Machine Translations report allows you to easily see the amount of translations that were generated over the last 30 days. This will help you to keep an eye on your usage as your content grows. If you are using the Localize REST API, you can monitor your usage in the API Usage report. This report shows the number of calls that were made on a specific date or other time period of your choosing. The Visitor Language Preference report shows the number of visitors on your website that have their browser set to a specific language. This allows you to target potential new target languages that you might want to add based on your end-user preferences. Using the Localize Reports feature, you can gain real insight into your data.